In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze rows in Zoho Sheet, a feature that can greatly enhance your efficiency if you're working with extensive datasets. Freezing rows in your spreadsheet means that they remain visible even as you scroll down the page. This can be incredibly useful for maintaining context, especially when dealing with headers or important information that you need constant access to. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned user, understanding how to do this can save you time and help you manage your data more effectively. Let's begin by looking at how to freeze the first row, which is typically where most people keep their headers or titles. To do this, you'll start by clicking on the View option in the menu bar at the top of your screen. From there, hover your pointer over the Freeze option and then click on Row 1. With just these simple clicks, you're able to lock the very first row so it stays visible regardless of how far down you scroll through your sheet. This is particularly handy if that first row contains categories or labels that define the data below. Now, you might find yourself in a situation where you need to lock more than just the top row. Suppose you want to freeze up to a certain row instead of just the first one. Here's how you can do that. First, you select the cell that's located immediately below the row or rows you aim to freeze. For instance, if you plan to keep rows 1 through 3 in view at all times, click on any cell in row 4. Once you've selected your cell, navigate once again to the View menu and select Freeze. This time, though, you'll choose the Up to Selected Row option. This method offers flexibility, allowing you to decide exactly where you want the freezing action to stop, making multiple rows visible while you scroll through your data. For those who need even more precise control, maybe to freeze a specific range of cells, Zoho Sheet offers that as well. This process lets you lock exactly the cells or range you need for your work. Begin by selecting the range of cells you want to freeze. After making your selection, head over again to the View menu, choose Freeze, and then navigate to Selection. Here, you'll get to choose the desired range for freezing. This way, you can have intricate control over specific rows and columns, ensuring the most relevant parts of your sheet remain in view, no matter your scrolling position. By mastering these steps, you'll enhance your ability to keep important data at your fingertips, all while navigating smoothly through the more dynamic parts of your spreadsheet. So, go ahead, give it a try on your next Zoho Sheet project, and see how much more streamlined your workflow can become.